Hello again and welcome back. Now, before we dive straight into the strategies, there's something we need to do first, and that is install something known as the pixel. So, what is the pixel? Well, it is basically a small piece of code that saves a lot of information of all the traffic that you get to your store. That piece of code is going to help us understand who the audience is, who to target, and then retarget to. So basically, whenever we're doing ads on Facebook, Facebook has a massive algorithm with different people with different behaviors. When we add in the pixel, that means that Facebook can more easily save the information and understand who our audience is and make sure that our audience automatically is much more accurately targeted. All we need to do is install the pixel and Facebook will do it themselves. Let me show you more what I mean. Let's dive in. So there are basically three major benefits that you get with using the pixel. Number one is to measure cross-device conversion and make cross-device ads possible. And that basically means that we're able to run ads on Facebook, audience networks, on Instagram. Very handy, but not so important for running ads for our Shopify, right? Instead, these are going to be much more useful for us. So optimize delivery to people who are likely to take action, right? So whenever we're creating ads and we're trying to sell our product on our store, there's going to be a certain type of person who enjoys our product and wants to click on the buy now button. When we have the pixel installed, we allow Facebook to gather information about those people and make sure that Facebook can target more of those types of people so that we can have better results. All we need to do is install the pixel, and then Facebook is going to target our audiences much more effectively automatically. I mean, pixel is our best friend when it comes to Facebook ads. And finally, we can create custom audiences from website visitors. The way we're going to use this is that we're going to target people through things like add to cart that we looked at and through people who have actually purchased our products. By retargeting those people, we have up towards 10 times higher conversion rates than by using normal ads. 10 times higher, that is massive. Retargeting, also known as remarketing, is one of the most powerful ways of using ads. Basically means that they went to our website, they maybe added something to cart or clicked on something, whatever it might be, and then we show an ad for them for that very product that they were looking at. Super powerful and completely enabled thanks to the Facebook pixel. So without further ado, we are going to be installing the Facebook pixel on your Shopify store, and it's very easy to do. So the first thing we're going to do is start off on our ads manager, all right? Then we're going to click on the business tools in the upper left corner here, and we're going to go down to something known as the events manager. We're just going to click here. And then we're going to move on where it says connect a data source. All right, we're just going to go ahead and click there. And now we get to decide it's going to be on the web, an app, or offline. And we are going to select web because we have a store, right? An online store. So we're going to click there and then we're going to click on get started. Now we get to decide a conversion API or a Facebook pixel, and we've been talking about the pixel. So we are going to select that one, which is going to be our best friend here. All right, now we're going to name our pixel, and this is not important, right? This is just going to be for us so that we understand which pixel this is should we ever decide to use more. Probably aren't ever going to need that. I'm just going to call it RNJ Deals Pixel. Not too fancy, right? And then I'm just going to write in the site https rnjdeals.com, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit continue. You can just go ahead and grab the link from above from your website to make it easy. All right, so now they're asking how we want to install it, and installing it on Shopify is super, super easy. All we're gonna do is click on use a partner, right? We're gonna go down to where it says Shopify, and then we're just gonna go ahead and follow the instructions. So there's something that says grow your audience size with advanced matching. So advanced matching basically means that if you have any information on your store, such as maybe you've been collecting emails or phone numbers or whatever, are Facebook allowed to take that information and create an audience for you? I strongly recommend that you turn this on because this is only going to help Facebook make their matching and targeting your audience more accurately. So we're going to go ahead and turn this on and then click on continue. Now we're going to scroll down and it's going to guide us on how we are going to install this code. Now I'm not going to worry about this for now. I've installed this code so many times. I'm just going to show you how it works, right? So now when we set this up, we are gonna get a code to use for our setup. Sometimes we get this code that's right down here, but sometimes when you're using a certain browser, I think it's because I'm using the Brave browser, I'm not actually getting the code down here. So that means that we cannot set it up. So if you're getting the code down here, all you need to do is select it and copy it. If you're not getting the code like me, you just click this one down and then you find the ID here and you're gonna go ahead and select it, and then we're just gonna copy it because this is the ID, the pixel ID that we're looking for, all right? Then we click on continue pixel setup. Use a partner, once again, go down, click on Shopify, and then continue, and we just continue where we left off, right? And I'm gonna click on continue, right? And then I'm gonna click on continue again. So now here we are to test our website. But before we test our website, we're actually gonna paste this in and install this code on our website. And it is this crazy simple. All you need to do is go to your Shopify, all right? Go to the back end of your Shopify, click on online store, click on preferences down here. Then we're gonna scroll down until we see something that says Facebook Pixel. We're gonna click here. I'm gonna click on paste, just like that, and then hit save. And now it's installed. In the past, installing the Pixel was a hassle. Today, thanks to integrations like Shopify, it's so easy. So thank you for that. And now we're just gonna go ahead and move back, and we are going to enter the URL of our website, which is going to be rnjdeals.com. Now, very important, when you're doing this, we're sending test traffic to make sure that the pixel is actually activating. That's the way we know that it's working. If you have an ad blocker, you need to turn off your ad blocker because ad blockers is going to deactivate it. It's not going to allow the pixel to register, and then this test is going to fail. If you're using the Brave browser, you click up here and you make sure that you have the shields down. If you have another ad blocker, you just go ahead and turn it off. Once it's turned off, you go ahead and you click on send test traffic. And remember, when you send in the test traffic, the ad blocker needs to be down for this site that you are sending traffic to, right? So I need to make sure that the shields are down for our Shopify site right here. So now we've sent traffic. I'm gonna go back. Oh, active, we received it. So we have successfully installed the pixel and the pixel has registered our activity on the website. Success. Perfect. Now we're gonna click on continue. And then what we can do is test our events, right? So there's going to be many different events such as purchase events or add to cart events, all of these different things. In my experience, Shopify never really goes wrong with this ever. So there is no need to test the events. They always fire correctly. But if you're ever unsure, you can go ahead and test those events by clicking here. But I'm not gonna do that. I don't believe you need to. Shopify has a really solid pixel installation. So we're just gonna go ahead and click on close. And now we have installed the pixel on our Shopify store. It's that easy. So all we're gonna do now is we're gonna go back up to Business Tools, click on Ads Manager, and now we're going to be back where we started, and we can get started with our e-commerce ads strategy. Hope you're excited. See you in the next lecture.